Welcome to the final day of week 7. We've spent this week mastering the full automation landscape, but knowing how to build automations is only half the battle. The other half is knowing how to sell the idea. The most important concept in building a business case is ROI, return on investment. Decision makers don't care about how cool the technology is. They care about one thing: is this worth the money? To make a business case, you need to quantify two things: the cost of the automation and the value it creates. The cost includes the time to build it, the monthly subscription fees for the tools, and the time to maintain it. The value includes the time saved, the errors eliminated, and the new revenue enabled. The most common value driver for automation is time savings. Here's how to calculate it properly. First, identify the task that will be automated. Let's say it's manually entering data from emails into a spreadsheet. Second, measure the time it currently takes. Let's say it takes 2 hours per day. Third, identify the person doing it and their hourly cost. Let's say they earn $50,000 per year, which is about $25 per hour. Fourth, calculate the annual savings: 2 hours a day, x 5 days / week x 50 weeks, year x 25 per hour equals $12,500 per year in saved labor. Now compare that to the cost of the automation. If it costs $500 to build and $50 per month to run, the annual cost is $1,900. The annual savings are $12,500. That's an ROI of over 1,000%. That's a business case that sells itself. Time savings are easy to quantify, but they're not the only value driver. Don't forget to mention these. Error reduction. Manual data entry has an error rate. Automation has a near zero error rate. What is the cost of a single data error? A wrong invoice, a missed order, a compliance violation? These can be worth far more than the time savings. Scale. A human can process a limited number of tasks per day. An automation can process thousands. If your business is growing, automation is what allows you to scale without proportionally scaling your headcount. Speed. An automation can respond to a new lead in 30 seconds. A human might take 30 minutes. Research shows that responding to a lead within 5 minutes dramatically increases conversion rates. That's a direct revenue impact. Once you have your numbers, how do you present them? Keep it simple. Use a one-page summary with 3 sections. The problem: what is the current pain? The solution: what will the automation do? And the impact: what are the numbers? Decision makers are busy. One clear page is more persuasive than a 20-page deck. Start with a pilot. Instead of asking for approval for a large, expensive project, propose a small, low-risk pilot. Let me build this in 2 weeks for $500. If it works as expected, we roll it out to the whole team. A small win is the best way to build trust and get buy-in for bigger projects. The ability to build a business case is what transforms you from a technical implementer into a strategic partner. It's the skill that gets you a seat at the table. In your project today, you'll build a complete business case for a hypothetical automation project. This is a skill that will serve you for your entire career. Let's make the case.